In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Asana templates to streamline your projects. The process of setting up a project template in Asana might seem a bit daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes an invaluable tool for efficient project management. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, onboarding checklist, or any recurring project, templates can save you a lot of time. First, let's begin by creating a project that you want to turn into a template. Open Asana and either create a new project or choose an existing one that is well structured. This project should include sections, tasks, subtasks, and custom fields relevant to your workflow. Take your time to set up assignees, due dates, and dependencies if they apply to your project. Additionally, don't forget to add any resources such as files, links, or notes that you'll frequently need. Think of this stage as crafting your ideal project setup. This is critical because this template will be the blueprint for future projects. Once your project setup is complete, it's time to save it as a template. Navigate to the project's drop-down menu, located in the top right corner, signified by 3 dots. From this menu, select the Save as Template option. When naming your template, choose something clear and descriptive so that it's easy to find later on, like Marketing Campaign Template or Onboarding Checklist. You'll also need to decide if this template should be personal, just for your use, or if it should be accessible as an organization template for your entire team. Now that your template is saved, you can use it to quickly launch new projects. Simply click on Plus New Project in Asana. Instead of starting from scratch, select the Use a Template option. Pick your saved template and watch as Asana instantly creates a new project with all the features and structure you meticulously set up. This not only spares you the effort of repeating tasks, but also ensures consistency across similar projects. Finally, let's enhance your template further by automating it with rules. By adding rules like automatically assigning tasks when specific conditions are met or moving completed tasks into different sections, you make your template even smarter. You can set rules to include priority labels or auto-move tasks, ensuring that once a project is underway, it runs smoothly without the need for manual adjustments. This step significantly reduces the chance of human error and increases efficiency. Remember, templates and automations in Asana are your secret weapon to streamlining repetitive projects and getting more done with less effort. As you incorporate these tips into your workflow, you'll notice how seamlessly projects progress, keeping everyone on your team aligned and productive.